Hey everyone, it's Andrew. It's Friday and I'm back with another feature release for Heyday. Really excited about this one. It's called Reader Mode. Let's jump into it. So a major area of distraction when I'm browsing the web is around news sites and blog sites. I find them just so filled with distraction and noise and ads and recommendations and all these type of things. It's a really terrible reading experience. And I don't always want to use a secondary reader or send them to other places. I just want to read them in the moment and not be distracted. Here's an example of a website, that's filled with noise, and it makes it hard to stay focused. And so I developed Reader Mode that essentially takes a website, an article, and streams it down or slims it down to just the header, the text, some images, and only the things that you really need to pay attention to. So there's a few other features that you can do. You can turn it to black and white or sort of dark mode. You can increase the text size. You could copy all the text and add it to a document or an LLM or whatever you would need. Just a few features that make it easy. The cool thing about this is that it happens automatically. So if you set a website up to have reader mode activated, it's an impact just like everything else. Anytime you go to an article, it automatically triggers, and it will remember your settings, whether or not you have dark mode or your text size mode. So I think it's pretty useful. If you really want to push it to the limit, like an example of a really terrible website would be Daily Mail, and it's filled with noise and things like that. And it can do something like remove all of the noise, and you can trigger it manually or have it automatically. So this feature is in beta mode right now. It's available to all users of Heyday. We're still working out some of the kinks. If you find any issues or if you have any suggestions with it, please let me know. And hopefully it helps you read in a more focused manner. Thanks.